Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to boost your credit score, you're in the right place. Today we'll share some important credit repair tips that can help you improve your score and achieve your financial goals. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly cover what a credit score is and why it matters. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that reflects your creditworthiness. It ranges from 300 to 850, and a higher score can lead to better loan terms, lower interest rates, and even improved insurance premiums. Understanding how your score is calculated is key to knowing how to improve it. Now, tip number 1, check your credit report regularly. You can get a free report once a year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This is crucial because your credit report contains detailed information about your credit history, including your payment history, credit accounts, and any public records like bankruptcies. Reviewing your report helps you spot any errors or fraudulent accounts that could be dragging your score down. Remember, it's your right to know what's in your credit report. If you find errors, don't panic. Tip 2, dispute those inaccuracies. Write to the credit bureau, explaining the error and provide any supporting documentation. So this can include bank statements or payment confirmations. The bureaus are required to investigate and correct any mistakes within 30 days, which can lead to a quick boost in your score once those errors are removed. Being proactive about this can save you a lot of headaches in the long run. Tip 3, always pay your bills on time. Payment history makes up about 35% of your credit score, making it the most significant factor. Even one late payment can have a significant impact, causing your score to drop dramatically. To avoid this, set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. If you know you'll have trouble making a payment, contact your creditor in advance to discuss options. Being proactive can help you avoid late fees and damage to your score. Next up, tip 4, reduce your credit utilization. This is the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits. Aim to keep this below 30%. The lower, the better. If you're close to maxing out your cards, consider paying down balances or requesting a credit limit increase from your lender. Remember, maintaining low balances can signal to lenders that you're managing your credit responsibly, which is key to a healthy credit score. Tip 5, be cautious with new credit inquiries. Each time you apply for a new credit card or loan, a hard inquiry is made, which can temporarily lower your score by a few points. While this isn't a deal breaker, it can add up if you apply for multiple accounts at once. Try to limit new applications and space them out over time, especially if you're planning to apply for a major loan like a mortgage. Tip 6, build a positive credit history. Consider becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card, especially if they have a good payment history. This means you can benefit from their positive credit behavior without directly managing the account. But just make sure that the primary cardholder pays on time. This can help improve your score without taking on debt yourself. Tip 7, use secured credit cards. These require a deposit that acts as your credit limit. They're a great way to rebuild credit if you have a low score or limited credit history. Just remember to pay off your balance each month to demonstrate responsible credit usage. Over time, you can transition to an unsecured card with better benefits. Tip 8, diversify your credit mix. Lenders like to see a variety of credit types such as credit cards, installment loans, and retail accounts. This can positively influence your score as long as you manage them responsibly. For instance, if you only have credit cards, consider taking out a small personal loan to add variety. Just be sure to keep up with payments on all accounts. And finally, tip 9, don't hesitate to seek professional help if you need it. Credit repair agencies can assist in disputing errors and creating a plan to improve your score. But just be sure to choose a reputable agency, as not all are created equal. Look for reviews and ask about their processes before signing any contracts. There you have it, 9 important tips to help you boost your credit score. Remember, improving your credit takes time and patience, but with consistent effort, you can achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on financial wellness.